The Global Shipping Program is the easy way to make your listings available to millions of buyers around the world and increase your sales by up to 15%. Just send the sold item to the Global Shipping Center and the program takes care of the rest. This includes customs forms, import fees, and end-to-end international tracking. Once you've opted in, you can now customize which countries you want to use the program for and which ones you don't. Let's go through your options. Say you want to use GSP when shipping to some locations, but you want to use another shipping service when you ship to others. Here's what you do. First, go to Account Settings, then Site Preferences, then Shipping Preferences. Under Shipping Preferences, click Edit for Offer the Global Shipping Program. Then turn on the flag for Customize International Shipping for some locations. Then go to the listing, making sure you're using the Advanced Listing Flow. Under International Shipping in your listing, click the box next to Use the Global Shipping Program to make it the default method of international shipping. Then you'll want to define the countries or regions where you want to select your own shipping service. First, under Specify International Shipping Costs, click on the drop-down. You have two options here, flat or calculated. For fixed cost, choose Flat, same cost to all buyers, and enter a dollar amount under Cost. For calculated shipping by location, choose Calculated Cost Varies by Buyer Location. Then you'll want to define the countries or regions where you want to select your own shipping service. Under the Ship To drop-down, select Choose Custom Location. Then choose the regions or countries where you'd like to set up your own shipping service. Whatever shipping service you set up for those regions will override the Global Shipping Program when shipping to those regions. So, for instance, if you don't choose any countries or regions, the Global Shipping Program will continue to be your default shipping service to all GSP-enabled countries. If you choose Worldwide, whatever service you set up will override the Global Shipping Program to all locations. Make sense? Finally, to specify shipping services, navigate to the Services drop-down to choose a shipping service. You can also add additional services to different locations by clicking Offer Additional Service, the blue text under the Ship to Country list. So now, say you want to use the Global Shipping Program when shipping to some locations, but you don't want to ship to other locations at all. First, make sure Customize International Shipping for some locations is turned on as we described earlier in this video. Then, under Shipping Preferences, go to Exclude Shipping Locations from your listings under Shipping Preferences and make sure that Override My Country Exclusions for GSP-eligible items is not checked. Now, navigate to your new listing and make sure you're using the Advanced Listing tool. Click the box under International Shipping that says Use the Global Shipping Program. Underneath the International Shipping box, you'll see Excluded Shipping Locations. Click on Create Edit Exclusion List to specify locations you don't want to ship to. Note that this exclusion is applicable to all listings and cannot vary from listing to listing. Only the option to exclude can vary from listing to listing. Finally, click on the box above the blue text titled Exclude these locations. If you want to use GSP to ship to certain countries, your own shipping option to other locations, and you want to exclude others, follow the steps already outlined in this video and just remember to uncheck Override My Country Exclusions for GSP-eligible items. Also, the Ship To countries for your own options must be different from the countries in your exclusion list. And that's all there is to it. You're all set to start sharing your items with millions of shoppers in the countries you choose. To learn more about the Global Shipping Program and watch more of our helpful how-to videos, please visit ebay.com/GSP.